Assalamu alaikum, class 6 computer science. We will discuss today the taskbar. A taskbar is an horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It contains the start button, quick launch icons, and the open programmed icons. Windows notification area, or system tray and clock. The start buttons open the menu of the programs. Quick launch icons are the shortcut to use the program to open them quickly. They can mention if you do not use any of them. The taskbar also has the icons of the open program. Notification area is an option of the taskbar that provide the source for notification and status. It has the icon of notification, volume, network, and clock. Look at the picture. You have the icons, date and time, and many other icons that will show the taskbar. Its taskbar responsibility to show the icons you used, mostly having the short icons in taskbar: start buttons, Google Chrome's files, file manager, and date and times, and many other icons. Now we move towards to the working with the Windows graphical user interface. As you know, the graphical interface consists of icons that displays the icons, and you just have to click the icons to open your required function. For example, if you want to open the my computer, you can just press the icon my computer. The my computer has to be open. Windows has many software programs or application. User can open programs from different locations, like the icons in the desktop, start menu. Yes, you can press on the icons on the desktop, or you can select another method, that is opening the start button and select your program, or by searching in a search box. Opening a program. In order to use a program such as in Paint, Word, etc. in Windows, you need to first open it. The following are the some points you have to follow to open the Paint program. For example, click the Paint icon on the desktop. If you have a Paint icon on your desktop, you just click the Paint icon in the desktop. Or you can open a program through the start button and the start menu. Click the start button, click all programs or apps, click the accessories or the Windows accessories, click the Paint. You can open a program using the search box. Yes, there is another method you can use to search a Paint. You can click the search box, type the Paint in the search box, click the Paint from the list. The Paint will be open. There are multiple methods available opening a program. A simple program, that is Paint. Hopefully you will learn how to open a program by using the different methods. First of all, having the icons in the desktop. Second is by clicking the start button, and third by searching the icon in the search box.